Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The following are some at-home treatments suggested by the Cleveland Clinic. Desensitizing toothpaste. There are several brands of toothpaste for sensitive teeth available. Use a soft bristled toothbrush. Avoid highly acidic foods. Use a fluoridated mouthwash daily. Avoid teeth grinding. Consider getting a mouth guard.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
8 home remedies for pain relief. Desensitizing toothpaste. Desensitizing toothpaste contains compounds that help to shield nerve endings from irritants. Salt water rinse. Hydrogen peroxide. Honey and warm water. Turmeric. Green tea. Capsaicin. Vanilla extract.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Can tooth enamel be restored? Once tooth enamel is damaged, it cannot be brought back. However, weakened enamel can be restored to some degree by improving its mineral content. Although toothpastes and mouthwashes can never rebuild teeth, they can contribute to this remineralization process.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Tooth sensitivity is caused by worn tooth enamel or exposed nerves in your teeth. When you eat or drink something with an extremely low or high temperature, you may feel a sudden, sharp flash of pain.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.